Hello there. Welcome back to a new episode of Safra and Saifa's channel.
Yay!
Alright, Safra is here with me today. Saifa's upstairs.
Yeah.
Today we have the new Jurassic World Rebirth BARYONYX, guys, right here. We will compare to the classic Dino rival BARYONYX. I'm not sure if this is a Dino rival. Oh, gee, I forgot it has a sound. I don't remember anymore. So there's the DNA scan. I totally forgot this thing has a sound. The other one has a sound either. Dino Escape. This is a Dino Escape Chaos, I believe. Chaos. Okay, so here's the DNA scan for you guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna unbox this Wild Roar, a brand new Wild Roar BARYONYX. A new, wait, I'm not sure if this is a new sculpt. I think the new sculpt is the Chaos Theory, the albino BARYONYX. So I'm not sure if this is a new sculpt, guys. Let's check the back first. So we did this like 2 days ago, the Maiasaura. Right here. There we go. Oh, control the attack. So we have many variants of BARYONYX now. Let's open this guy up. Take him out. We'll bring out the tail as well.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's take out the tail. Okay. Let's put this on the back. Here's the tail. Nice sharp tail. Oh goodness, is it hard? Oh, it's hard, guys. There you go. Hear the snapping sound. Alright, let's start at the claws. They didn't paint the claws as usual. It's not a Hammond collection. Why did they care, right? The dew claws are not painted as well, but looks really nice. There's a DNA scan, but I don't think it'll work yet. Alright, so you move it up and down. It's sound, you can turn it left and right. No sound, but the Maiasaura has a sound when you turn it left and right. There we go. Jumping sound. Nice color, brand new color. It's like a peach color. Like a light orange peach thing. So we're gonna compare to the older BARYONYXs. So it's a little taller. The head's a little bigger or wider. You see the skull? The head. So this orange one is bigger. Has a bigger head compared to the classic Dino rival. Definitely this thing is still bigger. So this is a new sculpt then. This old Dino rival has a tiny head compared to this bigger one. I should have grabbed the epic attack, huh? Because that's the biggest BARYONYX. Alright, guys. And there you go, Sephiroth. You can have it. Brand new. Nice jumping. So we'll just give this a common. This is a common, because BARYONYX are so common dinosaurs, such a common dinosaur, fishivore dinosaurs. All right, so there you have it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, let's go to the teeth. It's totally different. It's all made of rubber now, so it doesn't get damaged. So that's nice. Right there. Unlike the classic ones, they're all made of, you can get damage or scratches like this one. The classic, it's all damaged already. Oh, it's all worn out because it's still part of the head. But this is really genius how they make Mattel evolved here. This is good right here. It won't get damaged. Alright, guys, take care. Have a good weekend. Have a good week.